Hey there, my name is Victoria and I am a virtual assistant and also a financial planner. And this is an example of my full financial organizing service that I usually use to help take clients' finances from a scattered and feeling overwhelmed situation into a clear, more structured, fully automated system. So I'm able to organize their finances into documentation, investing, planning. If we go into the documentation service, let's say we are organizing your bank statements, I can organize this into specific banks. I look at investing. I have further divided this into the different types of assets that a particular individual client has. When it comes to transaction, importing, and categorization of your budgets, what I help clients do is that at the end of every week, I import your bank statement, and so whether this is in Excel format or CSV into Google Sheets, we have all of this raw data, the transaction history over a particular period of time. What I then do is then import it into this transactions tab. Then this helps ensure accurate reporting that helps clients understand exactly where their money is actually going. From there, we can also look at monthly budget reconciliation and reporting. So this is an example of a February budget where you can actually see your cash flow details, where money came in, the expenses, the bills, the savings. You also have an overview where we can track and monitor your monthly goals for that month. It calculates your savings, your budgeted versus actual amount. And as you go down to the bottom, it also gives you an overview of where your money went in terms of which budget category had the most spending. It also allows you to focus on 6 budget categories that you want to track and stick to in that particular month. And then it gives you a better breakdown of your cash flow details according to major financial category, whether it's income, budgets, or investments and savings. Then it will give you an overview of your budget categories, your spending breakdowns, as well as your savings and investment breakdown. And then the great thing about all of that information, whether it means moving from the financial organization, the budget categories, your bank statements, everything gets filtered into this annual overview where you can see your progress in terms of how far you are to reaching your income goals, your spending goals, your investment goals, as well as your savings goals and your debt payoff goals. It shows and keeps track of what financial goals you've currently hit, a total breakdown for the entire year, showing exactly where your money went for that specific period. It shows so many stats as far as income, spending, investments, as well as other cash flow details and trends that you can utilize and cash flow details. All in all, my full financial organizing service is ideal for busy individuals, families, and small business owners who want clarity, accuracy, peace of mind when it comes to managing their finances. If you want someone who is knowledgeable, who can categorize your transaction, can manage your budgets, as well as help you stick to your financial goals, can help prevent overdrafts, can help you analyze and prepare all of these weekly and monthly reports, organizing your financial documents, I am more than willing and happy to help you and support you on your financial journey. So please